What did I miss? Not much. Opening the first pack now. Okay, wait. Ready? Okay. So first one, we have Small World. Oh! Is that Secret Dingurasu? That's sex. Oh my god, this set is so sexy. Woo! And then we have okay, wait. Oh! Okay, so we got this is a platinum compulse. Oh, that's sex right there. Holy shit. I was gonna I'm gonna pre. Oh my god, that's so hot. Ah! And then we have okay, wait. Okay, so we got this is a platinum compulse. Oh, that's sex right there. Holy shit. I was gonna I'm gonna pre. Oh my god, that's so hot. Ah! Okay, so Danger Jackalope. Okay, so Galaxy Eyes Full Armor Photon Dragon. Oh my god. Oh, that's so hot. That's so hot. Nice. Okay, shiny. Okay. So Mud Dragon of the Swamp. Yeah! Okay, we have the what's it called? We have a quarter century combos. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! My lab deck's gonna be so sexy! And then Eldritch! Eldritch! Okay, another number 100. Oh! Ulti Avermax! Okay, unironically, I might keep this. Wait, Ulti Avermax? It's my boy, Mr. Regis Altair! Dude, that's sex. Oh my god, that's so pretty. And no! Ew! Ew, yucky! Not Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon. It's the one with the handlebars. No!
Damn, boy, he's sick!
Okay, wait. I'm sorry, I'm trying to be loud for my roommate, but that's an ulti, that's an ulti lightning storm. That's okay. That's sex. Oh, shiny. Okay, so we have Rhoda. We have 25th anniversary, the quarter century Downer Magician. That's pretty sex. That's pretty sex. Cyber Angel Benton. Ulti Dogmatica Punishment. I can't stop winning. I can't stop winning. Yeah! Ulti Dogmatica Punishment! You're staying with me! My lab deck keeps getting shinier and shinier, bro!
Get some!
Of Judgment. Oh my god, it's Alt Art Eldritch! Fruity Eldritch!